Hi everybody, my name's Major Graft and we're here in the Creative Build Discovery server so that I can show you our completely new custom made ranking plugin. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to submit a build and start racking up those points and earning those precious ranks. So let's get started. As you can see, I've just finished this fine example of a plot, so I'm going to go ahead and submit it. To start, all you need to do is type the command /build submit, and as you can see, I am immediately prompted by the first question in chat. Now this is a 6-step process, but don't worry if you get halfway through and decide you've made a mistake or just change your mind. All you need to do is type exit, press enter, and you can start again whenever you want. So here we go. Question 1. Please enter the name of your build. Fairly simple. I'm going to call my build Japanese Castle by typing directly into the chat. Now there's no need for a slash here, it's not a command, just type straight into the chat. We're going to be doing this for every step, so don't forget that. There we go. As soon as I press enter, we move on to question 2. So now we're asked to enter a short description of our build. Why? Well, when people are looking for builds to see, these details are what they'll find. You want to write something that will entice as many people as possible to come and see your build, so be imaginative here. I'm going to write Japanese Castle by the Sea, and press enter, and there we go, on to question 3. This is where things become slightly more technical. You're going to be asked to select the build using the World Edit wand. If you don't know how to do this, don't worry, it's very simple. We're going to use the command /wand, which should place a wooden axe in your hand, which is the World Edit wand. If you're unsure how to use this, there are instructions in chat, but I'm going to do this now by travelling over to one corner of our plot here, and left click on the block to set the first position. Then we're going to travel all the way over to the complete diagonal opposite corner of our plot, and once we're there we're going to right click on the corner block. Now there you go, we have our full plot selected now. Don't worry about digging down to select the whole build like you would if you were using the wand to build. We're only selecting a square here, not a cube. So there we go, now I've selected the plot. It's all selected right from bedrock to the build limit height of 256. Okay, so once that's selected, type OK and we move straight on to question 4, which is where we will set our spawn point. So let's go to the point you want your visitors to arrive at, which for me is going to be right down here on the docks. Now, don't forget to look in the direction that you want them to look at. If you do this step looking at your feet, then that's exactly the way your visitors are going to be looking. So, this is my spot. I want to be looking up the hill here. Now I'm in position, I'm just going to type OK, and there we go, on to step 5. So one great thing about the new server is that you can submit builds as a team. So this step allows you to add all the builders that were involved. Simply type their names in the chat and press enter. I'm going to pretend that Daff helped me with my build, so I type Daff Squid and press enter, and that's it. Any points this build makes will now be shared equally between us. You can add teams of up to 6 builders on any project. So now I've added my team, just type OK, and now we're on to the last step. Of course, if the build's all your own work, then all you need to do is type OK and you'll skip this step and go straight to the next. Question 6 asks us to upload a screenshot of our build, which I know might seem like a faff, but trust me, you're going to get more people visiting your build when they see a great screenshot either in the Discord or on the billboard at spawn, which is where these screenshots will be shown. I have a screenshot I prepared earlier and uploaded to imgur.com. So all I need to do is right click on the uploaded image and click open in new tab. In this new tab, just copy the URL and go back into game and paste it directly into chat. Once you press enter, you'll have successfully completed all the information for your submission. At this point, all that's left to do is check the information as seen in the chat and type OK, and that's it, your plot is now submitted. At this point, your build will not immediately go onto the build list. It will need to be okayed by a moderator, which should only take a few minutes. You'll see a message in chat as soon as this is done, and your build is now live. If you want to check it out, type /build list, and you can see the name of your build. Hover over it with your mouse, and you'll see all the information that you provided earlier. And there you have it, how to submit your builds in 6 easy steps. So go create some masterpieces, and we look forward to seeing just exactly what you're all capable of. Happy building and happy discovering.